Imagine your Austin auto repair shop lost in a sea of search results. What if AI could give you a VIP pass? Meet the game changer, AI mode in Google Search, turbocharged by America's best shops. Picture this, AI analyzing every search, every click, and giving your shop the spotlight it deserves. Now watch as local car owners find you instantly, not the guy down the street. But here's the twist, AI doesn't just push your name. It crafts personalized ads that speak directly to your customers' worries, brakes, engines, or that mysterious ticking sound. This isn't just marketing, it's a connection. Feel the rush as your phone rings non-stop and your bays are packed, Austin streets buzzing with cars fixed by you. Still think marketing is just ads? Think again. This is AI-powered evolution lighting the spark for small businesses. Are you ready to shift gears and dominate Austin's auto scene? Drop a comment if you want your shop to be the next big thing on Google.